going on, guys? Matty O'Daddy Mining here. Just got our first electric bill with the L7 ASIC on it. I did not quite get a month out of mining with it. I started on the 11th, I believe, so just over a week short, week and a half or so. I reset the box already, but I was around, I think, like 1,000, like 1,500 kilowatt hours, somewhere around there. I pay about 10 cents per kilowatt hour, and after calculating taxes and such, I estimated that this thing used about $168 of electricity in just about that 3 weeks or so. So the question is, what did I make? And right now is not the time to really worrying about return on investment, but still, nonetheless, we're all in this to make money. So really, I'm stacking as much coin as I can, waiting for the next run. But so let's see what I made. I'll see you at my computer.
Okay, here we are at the computer. Let's take a look at some stuff. Let's look at the Antminer first. We're averaging about 92, almost 9,300 mega hash. That's freaking cool. I did an update on it a couple weeks back. The Fruition upgrade, where you remove the stock fans and you replace it with the 8-inch inline fan. Temperatures are cool. It's quiet. Wife's happy, which is great. Makes me happy. But yeah, absolute great buy. That's a fantastic company. Okay, let's see. So, whole point of this is just I'm getting. Actually, we just got into July 1st a little bit ago. So, end of the month, I started mining with the L7 on June 11th, I believe it was. So, the wife just got the electric bill, and she's kind of beside herself on it. So I figured, I would do a little video and see, what did I make? I didn't have quite a full month of mining, but you know what? Let's see what I made. All right, let's go. Not there. Let's go to here. So I got the L7 from Coin Mining Central. I actually got it during their Memorial Day sale. I guess slightly annoying thing is they give you like $500 off for that specific sale, and I guess I should have known better. Too good to be true. Normally they'll jack up the prices, on a thing like that, but whatever. But yeah, after the $500 discount, I'm using quotations discount, I ended up paying $5,100 total for it, and $4,700. That's a little bit of a kick in the teeth, but you know what? Whatever. That's okay. Okay, so good old what to mine. So my L7 is a script miner, and I do have it on NiceHash. I know, NiceHash. But you know what? It pays out in Bitcoin. I've had my fill of mining altcoins for now, and I just kind of want to do something a little bit more stable. And of course, script mining with NiceHash, as you can see, is the most profitable at the moment. $20 a day, $12.25 a day after my 10 cent per kilowatt hour electricity cost. Right now we're running at about, that's pretty accurate. I think I have it averaged out at 3,236 watts, so that's accurate. But yeah, so for that 3 weeks or so, let's go to NiceHash and see what we made. Okay. Well, it cuts off at the 16th. I could hit show more here, but that's going to expand it, and it's going to show me every transaction sent to me every 4 hours, and I'm not going through all that. So I actually ended up making $323, which, for 3 weeks ain't too bad. It's not killing it by any means, but that's why we're not talking about ROI right now. I think I used around 1,500 kilowatt hours. And after that and taxes for it, I think I came out around $168. So money made in total, about $150, somewhere in there. I mean, not fantastic, but you know what? It's profitable at least. I mean, just like everybody else after the Ethereum merge, we're all, if you're mining at a loss just to get coin and hold. I mean, when Ethereum first went away, the first thing that I hit up was I think ETHW, and I got off that really quick because I learned very quickly it was garbage. And then I think I didn't want to like hop on Raven, Flux, I mean, definitely not ETC. Everybody and their mother went there. So I was just kind of looking for what is going to be maybe the next best thing. So I had all of my rigs. I have 4 other mining rigs, 30 something GPUs. I'll give you guys a little rundown of that one of these days. But I had I had one rig on this coin, one rig on this coin, one rig on this coin, and just stacking. I was mining Lithium, Vertcoin, Caspa. I ended up moving most of my rig over at one point to Vertcoin, and there was nobody on Vertcoin, and it was not bad. Like I was solo mining and I was hitting blocks left and right. It was great. I think I was actually profitable. I think I was actually making $20 a day, but actually the same as I am now with my L7. And about that time is when Caspa first started to gain ground, and so I took one rig off of Vertcoin, and then I put it on Caspa. And then once Vertcoin had hit, I got X amount of coins that I wanted to hit for my goal, I was going to move everything over to Caspa. Well, I kind of wish I moved over to Caspa a little bit earlier. I had about a month of solid mining before everybody and their mother jumped on it. And on my 4 rigs, I was making like 1,200 Caspa a day, which is about the same right now that the KS0 was making. And right now, for those same rigs, I went from 1,200 Caspa a day to I think like 100, 120, somewhere in there. I mean, not even remotely worth it. I wish I would have hopped on a little bit sooner. But on another note, though, I did order a KS0 a couple weeks ago, so hopefully that ships soon. And I have not seen that it shipped yet, but hopefully it does. My luck, I'll get it. Right when the KS3s come out and Bitmain launches all their crap, I'll probably miss the boat on that as well. But yeah, that's pretty much all I got for you. I think made $323 over 3 weeks of mining, profited about 150. So like I said, not killing it, but at least we're profitable. A lot of people aren't. So on that note, I will say good night. So you guys have a good night. Have a great weekend. Bye.